Hello viewers, my name is Farooq Buzdar. Today I want to share with you a case study on efficiency and effectiveness. Most of the time we talk about success in business, what makes the company successful, what is making China so successful, particularly in manufacturing area. So this is a case study where 10 floors, 10 stories building was made within 28 hours. So such a big achievement. Interestingly, they are somehow managing to make these kind of buildings in main cities of China, and even in Malaysia I have observed some Chinese constructors are following this pattern. This is best example, best case study for business students, business executives. Share it with others, and I hope we all can understand at least something about efficiency and effectiveness from this example. Watch the video. Thank you.
Building 10 stories in one day. Broad. The living building. Broad has been developing factory-made steel buildings since 2009, with a total input of 1,000 staff and $1.5 billion. Broad has successfully created the 100% factory-made, pure stainless steel structured building, in 2021, the living building. Streamlined production, high quality and low cost. Producing buildings like automobiles. Standard container size, low-cost transportation worldwide. When folded, the building module perfectly meets the requirements of a 40 HQ containerized transport, by land and sea, but no container is needed. Extremely simple on-site installation. By tightening bolts and connecting water and electricity, as fast as 10 stores can be erected in just one day. The cutting-edge technology of the living building. The broad stainless steel B-core slab. It weighs 10 times less, but is 100 times stronger than the conventional structures. And is resistant to mega earthquakes and hurricanes. The paradoxes of the living building. The living building has the world's most uniform-sized modular system. Each standard module is 40 feet in length, 8 feet in width, 10 feet in height. Yet with the most varied building types and room types, it is perfectly suitable for luxury residences, 200-story skyscrapers, and also ideal for public and residential buildings. The indoor columnless clear space is 39 feet in length, 16 feet to 39 feet in width, and the clear height is 9 feet. What's more, the position and quantity of walls, doors, windows, and balconies can be easily changed after completion, and the building itself can be disassembled and relocated easily. Therefore we call it living building. The living building has the world's lowest energy consumption, applying 8.6 inches of thermal insulation, 4 paned glass windows, exterior auto sunshades, energy recovery ventilator, and intelligent control. The energy consumption is 5 to 10 times less than the conventional buildings. Yet has the highest indoor air quality, adopting broad clean fresh air machine, indoor air PM 2.5 is 100 times less than outdoors. The living building is endowed with the world's highest quality in construction, best materials, finest craftwork, safe and reliable, spacious and bright, healthy indoor air, thermal comfortable. Yet has the lowest cost. The ultra-low energy consumption makes the operation cost 5 times lower than those of conventional buildings. Streamlined production is 20 times more efficient than that of conventional construction. The construction cost of living building is lower than that of carbon steel buildings. The living building has the world's shortest construction schedule, established a new industry standard. Project design, permits, and completion acceptance can be completed quickly. Yet boasts the longest service life, 100% stainless steel structure, 30 times more corrosion resistant than carbon steel. 1,000 years lifespan.